At North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos, the fine line between new and used is not black or white, it's gray. In this case, it's charcoal gray in the form of the 2017 Sportster XL883N. The iron. Almost pointless, but I'll go ahead and press this guy. Yep, 47 miles. So what kind of shape do you think it's in? Answer, perfect. And priced right, since it's a, quote, used bike. Great starter bike, great commuter. Super fun to ride and looks like this. Come on out to North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos and take your test ride today.